Let's learn some new words today and enrich our French vocabulary. Hello and welcome to the 5th lesson of Confidence Booster. In this video, we'll learn some more adjectives. So let's start. The first word we'll learn today is beau. That means beautiful. Can you guess the next sentence I'm going to make? C'est beau. It is beautiful. Good work if you have guessed it right. Let's try a few more sentences. C'est très beau. It is very beautiful. C'est très beau ici. It is very beautiful here. C'est absolument beau. It is absolutely beautiful. C'est absolument beau ici. It is absolutely beautiful here. Here is another new word for you. Pour, which means for in English. And then moi, which means me in English. So how do you say for me? Pour moi. How do you say it is for me? C'est pour moi. Simple, right? How about it isn't for me? Ce n'est pas pour moi. How about it isn't good for me? Ce n'est pas bon pour moi. How about it isn't very good for me? Ce n'est pas très bon pour moi. How about it isn't delicious for me? Ce n'est pas délicieux pour moi. How about it is delicious for me? C'est délicieux pour moi. Congratulations, you have learned 3 new words today and you made around 10 sentences. Before you end the lesson, let's have a quick test. How do you say this in French? It is extraordinary. C'est extraordinaire. It isn't delicious. Ce n'est pas délicieux. How about it is very good? C'est très bon. How about it isn't good here? Ce n'est pas bon ici. It is absolutely fantastic here. C'est absolument fantastique ici. How about it isn't very good here? Ce n'est pas très bon ici. It is good for me. C'est pour moi. It isn't for me. Ce n'est pas pour moi. So how many did you get correct? Let me know in the comment section. Try to comment using the words you have learned. If you like our videos and want us to keep making them, you can contribute as well. Like, comment, share and subscribe. You can also follow us on our socials. That's all for today. In the next video, we'll learn some more new words. See you there.